Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. My name is Jean-Jacques. I'm going to talk about the information systems aspect of learning centers. So this presentation will last about 7 to 10 minutes and we'll see we'll have a general overview of the environment, and then we'll talk about the users and processes before talking about the services and all workflow in WIPO Learning Center, and then we will see the challenges and constraints before talking about the future, looking at the emerging technologies. So WIPO and its academy, basically to define the environment, WIPO is the word stands for WIPO Intellectual Property Organization, and the academy is a teaching IP to the world, basically. And to teach the IP, they have built a learning center which deals mainly with providing technological material and support for teaching needs. So in WIPO Learning Center, there are mainly four big systems: the catalog, the registration and payment systems, and the learning management systems, in addition to the administration part of the WIPO Learning Center. So if we look at the users of the academy, we have a client. The client will become a participant if confirmed into the course, and then the participant will become an alumni upon successful completion of the course. And this is on one side. On the other side, you have the teachers who basically provide the substantive teaching of the IP, and on the other side, WIPO staff and partners. These are the users of the system. So the academy is yearly based, run its yearly based cycle, and through the cycle they will plan, accept the registration, and go through orientation period, delivery, meaning teaching for real per se, and then go through evaluation and reporting. So from the client angle, the client will come and will register after having gone through the catalog to find out the information, and they will be eventually selected and go through the training and get certified. If everything goes well, of course. If something goes wrong, candidates are refused. They can cancel their registration, or they can fail or miss their participation. From the administration angle, we can see there are several programs of the academy. Each one have got its own area where they can manage their clients and their trainings and so on, and their training material. And we have also a payment modules which is purely administration related, and we have the management area and settings area where the systems related settings are happening. If we open, let's say, distance learning program from the administration angle, we can see there are, for example, they will manage registration, courses, participants, and of course they will manage the completion and certificates, etc. On the other side, on the same side rather, if you look into academy administration through WIPO Learning Center, there will be, of course, some functions, some use cases, such as creating a course, accepting a registration, notifying a candidate, or connecting a teacher to a student, etc., etc., or generating registrations report, or statistics report, or dashboard for the management, etc., etc. So as we have seen, we have some major programs under WIPO Learning Center, like e-learning management system, learning management system, Moodle based. We have the registration system, the administration system, and the catalog system. If we look inside the system, we will see again the same main program, the catalog, registration, LMS, and administration side. Underneath we have, of course, databases, and we have some SCORM compliant training material. On the user angle, we still have the participant, the teachers, the administrators, and so on and so on. So if we go into details, now we can see that the WIPO Learning Center is a complex system composed of some of the systems purely academy related, such as course catalog, registration systems. These are the ones we have seen, and on the side we have also some of the services provided at corporate level, such as user center or OpenAM for authentication, authorization, the identity management related, basically IDM, identity management systems. And if we look at the user, we still have our participants there. We have the teachers, we have the administration, and we have the teachers. The teacher, the participant, the administration. And from the students' angle again, we have here an example of a catalog where we are displaying some data to the public to say this is the course, these are the registration dates, and these are the course date, and the course will be in English, or these courses will be in English, and the brief summary of the training. And if the users want to have more details, they can still download some flyers. And this is another level, so you can see we are digging down to go into more details of the catalog. So what are the constraints and challenges? So we, as in many systems, users will always tend to need more, to need better, and to ask for better, or to say it's too complicated, there are too much systems, etc. So initially we had, let's say, such a complex workflow, and we tried to reduce by automating a lot of the work, or a lot of tasks or functions through WIPO Learning Center. Initially it was manual, and then now we could say after automating the systems, we have less processes and much better. So looking at this information systems, the reality is that the numbers will be growing always, more users, more demands, more courses, and throughout every year we will see more requests, and more people will demand more quality, if I could put it that way. So now if we look at in future with emerging technologies, we should think about social media. How will social media impact WIPO Learning Center? Isn't WIPO Learning Center itself a social platform where people meet and discuss? So, but there are of course these big social media platforms such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which are of course used by WIPO. And we have observed also the fact that WIPO as an international institutions tend rather to adopt the new technology with pragmatism. So we would say we adopt rather once the product has shown its maturity level. Still, we are getting, we will of course be getting some people telling us that they want more, they want better, which is always challenging. So as a conclusion, I would say, in order to put in place such a system and to give satisfaction to the users, we have to continuously improve, and we need to work on processes, we need to work on the services to give better quality, and to integrate, of course, better tools for the platform to be more efficient. Thank you very much for following, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me at this address, WLCIS blogspot.ch. Thank you for watching.